Hi there, my name is Sebastian and I'm the area export manager here at TMK. It's the 11th of September and I'm here to break down the latest updates to our factory. Come check it out. Upstairs, we're finishing up the partition walls, which separate the rooms from each other. And here, the walls are being put up and the rooms are starting to shape up. Here, you can see the conference room. And currently, they're installing the windows. All right, let's continue. Across the hall from the conference room, we have offices. And right here, we have our restrooms. And in the end, more offices. So soon Tenho will have better facilities for all the office days we know he loves so much. As we're getting closer to the season of total darkness here in Finland, we obviously needed some lights. So we finally got some lights installed to our production facilities so our welders actually can see what they're welding. Over here, we will assemble the paint shop. These poles right here will cover a section from here to there. It will take about 2 weeks to weld everything. And over here, you can see Ville Ahokas. Ville is currently welding the poles, and after this factory project is done, Ville will be a full-time welder for TMK. And in about a month, when this section is ready, we can actually start the production here. We have made some significant progress here at the wood chip storage. We connected the boiler inside to the huge pipe outside. We also got the stairs ready, and the guys are doing some final weldings for the water pipes so we can get the boiler running. Okay, so we are on the final stretch of our project, and as you probably saw, there's quite a hustle everywhere. But this is all for today, so we'll see you in a couple of weeks with the next update. So until then, see ya.